Welcome to something you don't see every day. 38 acres, a log estate, and pure country luxury just minutes from town. First time offered by the original owner since being built in 1985, this Saltbox-style log home sits privately on 38.4 peaceful country acres just over the Scarborough line. blending rustic craftsmanship with rare land opportunity in one exceptional package. Inside, the home offers approximately 2,072 square feet, according to town records, with a thoughtful and flexible layout. The first floor features a primary bedroom, along with a vaulted living room centered around a massive stone fireplace, creating a dramatic yet warm focal point for the home. A second stone fireplace in the full daylight walkout basement adds even more character and potential. The main level also includes a large kitchen, dining room, and full bath, all designed for comfortable everyday living. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, another full bath, and a charming loft area that works perfectly as a den, office, or creative space. An open balcony overlooks the living room below, enhancing the home's open, connected feel. Outdoor living is a major highlight here. Front and rear porches extend the living space into nature, while the side deck features a true showpiece, a 20 by 8 foot endless swim spa. One end is a hot tub set at 102 degrees, while the main swim area maintains a steady 90 degrees, allowing year-round relaxation and fitness in your own backyard. The full basement offers additional living flexibility with walkout access, another stone fireplace, and a full bath, ideal for guests, recreation, or future expansion. Outside, a detached 5-car bay garage provides exceptional storage and workspace for vehicles, equipment, or hobbies. What truly sets this property apart is its potential. Whether you envision a private single estate surrounded by nature, a family compound, or explore possibilities for land division or a larger subdivision, the acreage opens the door to multiple futures. This is more than a home. It's land, lifestyle, and opportunity in one rare Maine offering.